What's up, folks? It's your boy DT 2.0, and today we got something different. It's not a gaming laptop for the first time in a long time, right? I think the last video I did that wasn't a gaming laptop was probably the chair I'm sitting in right now. Also, as you can see, I've moved pretty much permanently from my living room table onto something a little bit more stable, and that rhymes, so I need to come out with a CD, right? Anyway, today we have the Roccat Syn Pro wireless 3D audio RGB gaming headset. Whew, that's a long name. Why did I buy these? Well, first and foremost, I don't have gaming headsets, and I know you see the headsets that's sitting right here, but these are the ones that I mainly use to produce music. As you can see, this is pretty much the industry standard that I've been using right here. If you ever heard of these and you do some kind of music, it'll behoove you to get some of these. These are the Audio Technica's ATH M50Xs. They do have a Bluetooth version, but wired versions always produce the best sound quality. So I have these for when I produce music on my MPC, but I've been using them for gaming because the sound quality in these are top notch, but they're only stereo, and I want 3D sounding headphones when I play my game. So with that being said, put these over to the side. I got some, and I'll unbox it, and then I'll give you guys my impressions, and then we'll move on. Will I keep them? I don't know, right? Because to be honest with you guys, I'm extremely critical of headphones and the way headphones sounds, the construction and all of that good stuff. And from the weight of this box, it doesn't seem too heavy, which I'm already a little nervous about that. Obviously, I get it. The construction has to be light because if you're going to be gaming for long hours, you want it to be light and tight. So they want it to be light on your head. But these Audio Technicas I have over here, they have some weight to them, but they're also extremely durable. And oddly, they cost the exact same price as these, about 150 bucks. So we're going to bust these open and see what they feel like. And then I'll put them on my head and let you guys know what I think they feel like. So let's see what we got in the box. Shall we? Shall we? No unboxing knife today. I already cut this thing wide open. So we can do that and pull these out and toss the box to the side. We got some directions in here. Roccat Syn Pro Air. Quick start guide. Yeah, it is. You know how we are with instructions. We ain't gonna grab them until we absolutely need them. Important information for users in Australia. I'm not in Australia, so it is what it is. All right, let's see what we got in here. So right off the bat, I could tell this packaging is, to me, when stuff comes like this, it looks kind of cheap, you know, because when I did a port visit one time in Korea, they were selling fake Beats headphones. This is when the Beats Studios first came out, and they came in packaging like this. When everybody knows Beats, Dre Beats came in that nice box with the magnetic. Nah, ours came like this. I quickly threw them junks in the trash. Anyway, in the back we got nothing, and let's go ahead and take this top off and see what we got here. So right here we have the USB dongle for that 2.4 gigahertz wireless connection. Put that to the side. Here we have a USB A to USB C dongle, right? And I guess that's for your cable, your charging cable. Right here you have the mic, flexible. Right here you have your charging cable. I'm gonna see with the headset so you don't get confused. I guess if you plug it into the back of your computer, if you don't have any front connections. I have front connections on mine. And then last but not least, we have the headset itself. All right, and let's toss that to the side. So they're light. I can tell you that right now. And I like the way that the ear cups rotate so they can sit flat on your chest when you have to take them off for a break or whatever. So they feel nice and flexible. I'm a little worried that they're plastic, and as you can see, these things are picking up fingerprints already, and I haven't touched anything today. Right here, it looks like the plug for the mic, which probably one of my dislikes right off the bat, because it's rubber and it's flexible, but if you lose this and you're not using the mic, then you're gonna have to walk around here looking like you can fill this thing with water. Not liking that. So let's plug that back in. Anyway, that's all you have in the box. Headphones, mic, USB dongle, and then the mic cable or the charging cable. One thing that I don't see on here, and again, these are Roccats, is like any kind of charging level. You know, there's just a light here that shows you that it's charging, but it doesn't shows you a level or anything. And I guess for the price, I guess that's okay. Volume rockers on each side of the headset, and at the bottom there's a power button and then the USB cable, USB-C connection for charging. But that's about it. But these things are collecting fingerprints. Maybe they should have used this same material up here on the ear cup instead of trying to do something all fancy. A little bit of branding right there. Anyway, let's move on. So we're back, and I'll probably film this as a B-roll. All I did was plug the USB dongle that I had into my my desktop, and immediately it noticed that these headphones were plugged in, and immediately routed the sound to the headphones because it said speakers Syn Pro Air headphones. So I want to let's turn up some music real quick. I'm not going to play it, but I'm going to play it in my ears so I don't get a copyright hit. And I'll let you guys know how they sound. And then I'll move on to some games to see if I can get some surround sound in there. All right, so let's make sure I got these. If I put the right side on the right side. All right. Oh. 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 Hold up. Wait a minute. Hold up. These things sound kind of good. Hey, I'm not gonna even lie. Hey, the bottom end of these things, and I'm just listening to stereo sound right now. Hey, these things sound. The low end in these is kind of it ain't a muddy low. It's a good low, right? And again, I'm highly critical of music. Right, I'm listening to a little chill hop. So if y'all never heard of that, do a search on YouTube. There's plenty of channels that do it. But I think it's just music that's you know, focusing on a little bit of jazz, a little bit of hip hop, old school hip hop in there, and the low end when they use those bass guitars or just the 808s just be hitting. And I like to use those especially when I'm listening to music in headphones. Now, these giving my Audio Technicas, they're getting jealous over here, a run for the money, because I might have to retire those things, right? Because another plus for these is they're wireless. And it's wireless Wi-Fi, so obviously I think the data gets here faster, so it's a little bit more clear than than if I use Bluetooth. But at the same time, it's not going to be as clear as them being wired, and that's why they gave us the wired cable. So a lot of option with these, you know. So before I start gaming, let's just see what it says on the box. Let's look at the back of the box. So let me pull these up. Pull this back up. Put the clothes back on the box real quick, so y'all can see everything here. Now, I did buy these from Best Buy. They were $149 before tax. So, I thought that was a pretty good price for my first set of gaming headphones. But right here, Syn Pro Air, perfect fit headband. They are soft. It does feel good. The ear cushions does feel good on the ears. And the thing I like about these ear cushions, to be honest with you, and I'll pull up my Audio Technicas back right here, is, see this right here? You start sweating, these start getting nasty, right? And normally when I do music, I don't have these on for a long time, maybe an hour, hour and a half, and then I have to take a break, because sometimes if it gets hot in here, or if I need to turn on the AC, these will be nice and sweaty. And then after a while, these will start peeling, because I had some Sony MDR headphones, and oh my God, look, you take them off your ears and it looks like somebody sprinkled pepper on your ears. These, on the other hand, this feels like they're covered in jersey material. I don't know if you have basketball jersey material. It's soft, and it looks like it kind of absorbs sweat, right? So maybe there's some, I'm not gonna say the name, but maybe there's some, what do they call it? Not the hell with it. There's some Under Armour like material here that wicks away sweat. It doesn't say that on here, but that's what it feels like to me. All right, so let's go back in here. Stellar wireless 2.4 gigahertz, a flip to mute mic. So if you flip it up, it'll mute. On-ear audio controls, and I didn't even need to turn them up, to be honest with you. They were just bumping. They were just bumping on their own. And quality and comfort, crafted with advanced materials for a light yet robust build with premium glasses friendly. So those that wear glasses, you're good to go. Memory foam, ear pads, and perfect fit headbands for all day comfort. Includes a breathable athletic fabric. Did I not say these were like basketball jerseys? Right on par. To minimize heat and sweat. So, like I said before, this is the perfect material to game on, right? They sound good. And there's a little screen in the inside. I don't know if you see that, to protect the speaker. Outstanding. So let's pull up a game real quick and see what that sounds like. All right, folks. So I got Gears of War brought up because, you know, once you start shooting, just like any shooter, once you start running around and shooting and rocks start falling, a lot of action, a lot of frequencies get thrown in the ear, right? Right off the bat, I can tell you right now, I do like the way I can control the volume from the headset, even though they're wireless, because if you look in the bottom right corner right here, where it says Syn Pro Air, once I start moving the volume rocker on the headphones, you'll see the volume go down and they'll go up. So if somebody want to talk to you, you know, you can, even though there's no push button on here, you can turn them up and then turn them down and then get back to your gaming. It sounds really, really good. I'm not going to even lie to you. I could definitely tell the 7.1 surround sound in here, or what they call 3D audio, so I assume they're loud. They'll definitely make me deaf if I keep them at 100. But that's the way I like to roll with my headphones, right? And plus, I can get all the bass I need and not bother the neighbors. I'm about to go on some Rambo shit right now. Where you at? Don't move. Oh, where you at? Black out in the ass. Did I say that? Anyway, hey, these headphones sound really good. I like the fact that they're wireless. And let me go ahead on and mash this now. I like the fact that they're wireless. I like the fact that they don't feel like they'll give me fatigue over the ears. I like the RGB lighting in here. So when I turn out all of these lights, my son come in here, he's gonna be jealous. The couple things that I don't like is this thing does hold fingerprints. Let me move that junk out the way. But your hands will have to be really dirty. And to be honest with you, I felt this type of material before. It looks like it'll scratch easily. So if you have these, I would take really good care of them. Or if you get these, I would take really good care of them. I don't like the plastic construction, but they do seem like they're durable, right? I bought the protection plan on them, so if I break them, oh well. And I don't like the plug right here. But I think the benefits way outweigh the things that I don't like, or the loves way outweigh what I don't like about it, right? So USB-C, power on the headset, volume rocker right here. Not sure what this one is because I tried to move it and it didn't do anything, so maybe I need to assign that to do something. Haven't tested the mic, but I'm not planning on using the mic. So if you guys plan on using the mic, it probably doesn't sound good anyway, to be honest with you, because none of them do. Right? I just bought a new mic. I'm not going to use this one, but just for the video, and I'm going to put it in here and see if I can get it to connect. And it's just that easy. And I heard it go boop boop boop, just that quick. So I think the mic's connected. Let's go here. Well, let me get out of this. Quick game, and then Syn Pro Air. Testing 1 2. Testing 1 2. And the mic is working, right? And again, this thing is bendable, but it doesn't seem like it'll stay for too long. So, see, it's not like it stays. Yeah, I don't know about that. But at the end of the day, these are a keeper. I'm just gonna make sure, 1, I don't lose this. 2, I keep my hands clean. And 3, I take pretty good care of them, because as you can see, I'm getting some marks on there. Not even marks, but some fingerprints on there right now, so I might have to get a cloth. But I really, really do like these. I kind of wish the RGB was brighter. I'm going to download the software to see how that goes. But outside of that, these are the Roccat Syn Pro's wireless 3D audio gaming headset. This is a win for me. I'm keeping these, even though I thought about getting Alienware, because you guys know how I have Alienware everything, Alienware and Dell everything in here. But this is one that I'm keeping. I am definitely keeping. So anyway, thanks for watching. This your boy DT 2.0, and this is my first accessory review. Let me know how you feel about it. Let me know what you think about the Roccat Syns. If you have any questions, hit me in the comments. Thanks for watching. Peace.